Kabir Khan, one of the popular directors who's also come in early to cast the vote. I see some of the cops and others also taking this moment to click a selfie now that the stars are in a good mood early this morning. So one by one we have the clarity, but it's good to see. It's good to see everyone who has ensured that this is their one big responsibility. Remember that these actors, film stars, more than our politicians, influence voters, influence the younger generation. And the younger generation usually takes their own sweet time to come and cast their vote. It's usually the elderly who early this morning come in. He's not speaking much, but Kabir Khan, director, actor Rajkumar Rao, and I hear my team's informing me that more and more film stars have cast their vote. So we'll have their visual in just a short while on the screens as well. So that's one aspect that you would appreciate, at least, of these film stars who have come. Netas, of course, remember, have a reason to. It's high stakes for each one of them, whether it's Mahayuti or Mahavikas Aghadi. So the stars also, many of them, not very political directly, but if one is, that's Akshay Kumar, one of the big superstars of the film industry, dressed in a nice, crisp black shirt, trousers, looks like interacting with an elderly gentleman. He is Delhi ka ladka, but now, of course, fully a Maharashtra boy. That's where his karma bhumi has been. But interacting as well. And then before he goes across to cast his vote. Remember, Akshay Kumar is also known and has been famous for a certain disciplined routine, to wake up early morning and then a day that he wraps up early. So it's not very surprising for Akshay Kumar to have come early this morning to cast his vote. So we'll play more and more visuals. So Akshay Kumar is there. He's one of the biggest stars of the industry right now. There is, of course, Rajkumar Rao, director Kabir Khan. So the stars descending at the polling booth. A young cop there also taking a moment on duty to perhaps get a picture clicked. So this is why I think Maharashtra elections are so interesting. While, of course, in other states it's as much about the voters, about the queuing lines. For Mumbai, for Maharashtra, it's the biggest business tycoons, the biggest film stars, the biggest politicians, who also today are all Aam Aadmi. They have to stand in the queue, in the line, and just like everyone else, they are the citizen of this country to cast their vote. There is no VVIP, no Aam Aadmi. Speaking, it appears, let's listen in to Akshay Kumar. Knowing Akshay Kumar, he loves to put forth appeals and pledge. And in the recent past, also remember, Akshay Kumar has done a lot of films on social issues. He has, of course, his political tilt has also been seen. The kind of equation, friendship that he does share with Prime Minister Modi. In the past few years, he has been vocal about that and appreciating what he believes Prime Minister Modi has done for India. That Shaina NC, who's interestingly as much a politician but is also close to the film industry. So more and more television stars also coming in. Shaina NC, remember, has been a fashion designer. She's known a lot of film stars, worked with them. She's also a BJP spokesperson leader. She's also a candidate right now from Mumbai Devi. So these are the visuals coming in from Maharashtra. All right, so that's Shaina NC, and I believe that she's with her daughter. It's a big day for her. So it was a temple visit first early this morning and then followed with the inked finger. And I don't know if she's going to say something. Let's listen. It looks like she has a word or two to mention.
यही कहूंगी कि आप सभी बाहर आके वोट करें, जल्द से जल्द कीजिए. हर बार चर्चा होती है कि मुंबई में वोटिंग क्यों इतना कम है. इस बार हम कर दिखाएं, क्योंकि जो आप वोट करते हैं तो आप सवाल उठा सकते हैं, जो आप वोट करते हैं तो आप प्रश्न चिन्ह उठा सकते हैं, जो आप वोट करते हैं आप क्रिटिसाइज भी कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब तक ये हाथ पे ये निशानी नहीं, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो प्रजातंत्र, लोकतंत्र के इस पर्व में जरूर बाहर आए और आपके नैतिक जिम्मेदारी को निभाएं.
मुंबई की बेटी को वोट देंगे जनता?
बिल्कुल, माँ मुंबा देवी का आशीर्वाद है और मुंबई की बेटी को ना सिर्फ वोट देंगे, आप एक मौका देंगे सच्चाई के लिए, अच्छे ढंग से काम करने के लिए, पूरे अकाउंटेबिलिटी और ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ।
Contesting this election,
Yes.
how do you see and what do you want to say?
I think it's been great. She's put up a very good fight, and she's always been someone that's been pro-development with a career as stalwart like as hers. Having spent 30 years in social service, another 20 in politics, I think she's genuinely itching to do real good, and we are seeing that as we see, reactions from the ground. Public is, showing us their support, and I hope people come out in, high margins and come out and vote, exercise your fundamental right as being a citizen of voting. And I definitely think, we'll see, but I can only pray and hope that things work out. Yeah.
All right, so that's Shaina NC's daughter, and her first statement also coming in. But it's the film Nagri, it's the business tycoon ki Nagri. This is the high-profile Mumbai city. So have to appreciate those who have come in early this morning. Akshay Kumar and director Kabir Khan, Rajkumar Rao. We have information coming in about more and more those from the film industry who have come in. A sweet interaction. Not sure if he is interacting with a stranger or someone he's known, but taking out a moment to interact with those on the ground.
बोल देते बात कर लेते बीएमसी उनका ध्यान रखने वाली
अरे डब्बा आपको देना है मैं लगा देता हूँ
डब्बा आपको नहीं देना है डब्बा तो मैं दे चुका हूँ
सड़ गया है सर
हाँ तो वो सड़ गया तो वो बीएमसी ध्यान रखेगी
नहीं कर रही है सर
चलो सर चलो सर चलो चलो सर भाई
सर
चलो भाई चल रहा है